If you want to make an image 4K in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to upscale an existing image using Photopea so you can turn a smaller file into a much higher resolution version. This is great for wallpapers, thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, and any design that needs a sharper, more professional look. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to upscale. You can do this by dragging the file directly into the editor or by going to File and then Open. Once your image is inside Photopea, take a moment to check the current size. If the image is too small, it may look blurry when enlarged, so the goal here is to increase it to a true 4K dimension as cleanly as possible. Now go up to the top menu and click Image, then choose Image Size. If you're on Windows, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt, and I. On Mac, use Command, Option, and I. This opens the size settings for your image, and this is where you'll make the change to 4K. In the image size window, make sure the unit is set to pixels. This is very important because 4K is measured in pixel dimensions, not inches or centimeters. If you're working with a standard widescreen image, you want the width to be 340 pixels. With the aspect ratio locked, Photopea should automatically set the height to 2060 pixels. That gives you a proper 16:9 4K layout. If you're working with a square image instead, you can set both the width and height to 340 pixels. That will give you a large square canvas that's still in a 4K style high resolution format. If you are not sure which size to use, think about where the image will be displayed. For YouTube thumbnails, banners, or video graphics, the widescreen 3840 by 2160 setup is usually the best choice. Next, look for the Interpolation or Resample option. This controls how Photopea fills in the extra pixels when the image is enlarged. For the best balance of quality and smoothness, choose Bicubic or Bicubic Sharper. These options help reduce harsh pixelation and make the enlarged image look cleaner. If your image has text, logos, or sharp edges, Bicubic Sharper is often a good choice because it preserves detail a little better. Once your settings are ready, double check the numbers one more time. Make sure the dimensions are correct, the units are in pixels, and the interpolation is set properly. Then click OK to apply the changes. Photopea will upscale the image to 4K, and depending on the original file, you should now have a much larger version ready for export or further editing. After resizing, zoom in and inspect the result. Keep in mind that increasing resolution cannot magically create detail that was never there, so if the original image was very small, some softness may still remain. Still, this method is the quickest way to make an image 4K in Photopea and get it ready for high-resolution use. If you want to finish the job, you can now go to File, then Export As, and save your image in the format you need, such as PNG or JPG. PNG is usually better for graphics, while JPG can be better for photos, depending on the final use, and that's it. You've now learned how to make an image 4K in Photopea using the image size tool. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.